The Belarus 5190 is a 4x4 mechanical front-wheel drive (MFWD) tractor known for its robust and simple design, typical of the Belarus range. It is designed for various agricultural tasks. Engine details. The Belarus 5190 is powered by a Belarus D245.5 turbocharged diesel engine with the following specifications. Type: turbocharged diesel. Cylinders: 4. Cooling: liquid-cooled. Displacement: 289.9 cubic inches, 4.8 L. Bore: stroke: 4.33 by 4.92 inches, 110 by 125 millimeters. Fuel system: direct injection. Air cleaner: oil bath with pre-cleaner. Compression: 16:1. Rated RPM: 1800. Idle RPM: 600, 1950. Starter: electric. Starter volts: 24. Oil capacity: 15.85 quarts, 15.0 L. Coolant capacity: 20.1 quarts, 19.0 L.